Song Loulou Dam. The Song Loulou Dam, located on the Sanaga River in Cameroon, is a pivotal infrastructure project that has significantly influenced the country's energy landscape. As one of the key hydroelectric power facilities in Cameroon, it is integral to both national power generation and regional development. The dam not only provides electricity, but also plays a role in economic growth, environmental management, and social dynamics. The conception of the Song Loulou Dam dates back to the late 20th century, with construction beginning in the early 1990s. This period marked a crucial phase in Cameroon's economic development, characterized by an increasing demand for electricity driven by urbanization and industrialization. The government recognized the need for substantial investments in energy infrastructure to support its development goals and ensure a stable power supply for both residential and industrial consumers. The dam was commissioned in 1997 and has since been a cornerstone of Cameroon's energy strategy. It reflects the country's ambitions to harness its abundant water resources for sustainable energy production, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and promoting regional energy security. The primary purpose of the Song Loulou Dam is hydroelectric power generation. With an installed capacity of approximately 384 megawatts, it is one of the largest hydroelectric facilities in the country. The dam harnesses the flow of the Sanaga River, converting the kinetic energy of water into electricity through a series of turbines. In addition to power generation, the dam serves multiple functions. It plays a critical role in flood control, helping to regulate the river's flow and mitigate the risks associated with seasonal flooding. This is particularly important in a region where heavy rains can lead to devastating floods, threatening communities and agricultural lands. The dam also supports irrigation initiatives in surrounding areas, enhancing agricultural productivity and food security. By providing a reliable water supply, it helps local farmers improve crop yields and sustain their livelihoods. The construction and operation of the Song Loulou Dam have raised several environmental concerns. Large-scale hydroelectric projects can significantly impact local ecosystems, alter water quality, and affect the livelihoods of communities that depend on the river. The dam's reservoir can inundate surrounding land, leading to habitat loss and changes in local biodiversity. Environmental assessments were conducted prior to the dam's construction to evaluate these potential impacts. While efforts were made to mitigate negative effects, such as creating fish passageways to support aquatic life migration, challenges remain. Ongoing monitoring is essential to assess the dam's long-term ecological footprint and develop strategies for environmental restoration. The economic benefits of the Song Loulou Dam are substantial. By providing a reliable source of electricity, the dam has facilitated industrial growth, attracting investment and promoting job creation. Industries such as manufacturing, mining, and services have flourished due to the increased availability of power. Moreover, the dam contributes significantly to Cameroon's national grid, supplying electricity not only to urban centres but also to rural areas. This enhanced access to power is crucial for socio-economic development, enabling communities to electrify homes, schools, and healthcare facilities. The revenue generated from electricity sales helps fund further infrastructure development and public services, thus contributing to the overall economic resilience of the country. The dam's role in stabilizing the energy supply is particularly important for reducing the high costs associated with energy shortages and outages. While the Song Loulou Dam has brought economic benefits, it has also posed social challenges. The construction of the dam necessitated the displacement of communities living in the inundated areas, leading to loss of homes and traditional livelihoods. Resettlement programs have been implemented to address these issues, but the success of these initiatives has varied. The Song Loulou Dam employs modern technology to enhance its efficiency and sustainability. Advanced turbine designs and automated control systems optimize power generation while minimizing environmental impacts. These technologies are crucial for maximizing the dam's output and ensuring the reliability of electricity supply. The Song Loulou Dam also holds significance beyond Cameroon's borders. As part of the Central African Power Pool, it is connected to regional initiatives aimed at enhancing energy cooperation among Central African nations. By exporting surplus electricity to neighbouring countries, Cameroon can strengthen its economic ties and contribute to regional energy security. International partnerships and investments in the energy sector are crucial for the continued development of the Song Loulou Dam and similar projects. Collaboration with foreign entities can bring in technical expertise and financial resources, facilitating the advancement of sustainable energy initiatives. The Song Loulou Dam is a vital asset for Cameroon, symbolizing the country's aspirations for economic growth, energy security, and sustainable development. While it provides significant benefits in terms of power generation and regional development, it also presents challenges that require careful management. Addressing environmental concerns, social impacts, and technological advancements will be essential for maximizing the dam's potential while ensuring a balanced approach to development. As Cameroon navigates its energy future, the lessons learned from the Song Loulou Dam will be invaluable in shaping a sustainable and equitable energy landscape for all its citizens.